In this video, we'll walk you through how to assign tasks in TeamGate CRM so you can streamline your workflow and boost your team's productivity. If you're using or considering TeamGate CRM, you'll want to stick around because we'll not only show you the process, but also look at some key features of the software and offer some alternatives that may better serve your needs. First things first, to assign tasks in TeamGate, you'll want to start by opening the Tasks section from the main dashboard. Once you're in there, you'll see a list of all tasks currently active within your CRM. To assign a new task, simply click the Add Task button. It's straightforward from here. You just need to add a title, description, and set a due date. You can then select the team member to assign it to from a drop-down list. This gives you full control over who's doing what and when it needs to be done. Next thing, you can categorize tasks in TeamGate. This helps you stay organized and ensures that your team knows exactly what type of task they're working on. Whether it's a lead follow-up or a meeting reminder, labeling tasks is a great way to keep things clear. If you have a larger team, this categorization can save you tons of time when tracking progress and outcomes. The third thing, TeamGate allows you to set task priorities, which is crucial when you're managing multiple projects. You can mark tasks as high, medium, or low priority. This helps ensure that your team knows which tasks need immediate attention and which ones can wait. The ability to prioritize makes TeamGate a great tool for task management. Moving on, TeamGate also lets you set task reminders. When you assign a task, you can set a reminder for your team members so they don't forget about deadlines or important milestones. You'll get notified as well, so no task falls through the cracks. These automated reminders save you from having to manually follow up with team members, keeping things efficient. Next up, you'll want to check out the reporting tools in TeamGate. Once tasks are assigned and completed, you can track your team's performance with built-in reports. These let you see the status of each task and gauge team productivity. The reports are flexible, allowing you to filter by status, date, or team member, giving you a clear picture of what's going on. However, while TeamGate offers a solid task management system, it's worth mentioning that it does have some limitations. The interface can feel a bit clunky for some users, especially when working on larger teams or more complex projects. And when it comes to integrations, TeamGate doesn't offer as many as some of its competitors, which could be a deal breaker for businesses that need to integrate their CRM with other tools they use. Now, let's talk alternatives. If you're finding that TeamGate doesn't quite meet your needs, or if you're simply looking for something more intuitive and feature-rich, there are a few competitors worth considering. One of the best options for task management in a CRM environment is Monday.com. It offers an incredibly user-friendly interface, tons of integrations, and advanced reporting tools. Monday.com also has a free trial, so you can test it out before making any commitment. Another great option is HubSpot CRM, which has an excellent task management system built right into its platform. It's simple, but it offers powerful tools for tracking and managing tasks, as well as great automation features. HubSpot also has a free trial, so you can explore its capabilities without a commitment. In conclusion, while TeamGate CRM is a solid option for task management, there are other tools out there like Monday.com and HubSpot that might be better suited for your goals. They offer more advanced features and integrations, making them a good alternative for teams looking for something with more flexibility and scalability. And before I wrap up, here's something special. If you're interested in TeamGate CRM, we've got an exclusive extended free trial available through the link in the description. You'll also get some amazing benefits that aren't available anywhere else, so be sure to check it out. But if you're still unsure, try out Monday.com or HubSpot CRM. Both come with free trials as well. Click the link below for the best free trial deals and exclusive perks only available to our viewers.